guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox my Boxycharm. So I'm going to let you know what the weight is because I get asked that all the time. Sometimes I have it, sometimes I don't. Today it says it's 0.79 pounds. So opening this guy up, it's looking a little wrecked. It was looking a little rough when I got it, so that's why it's looking a little crazy. Opening it up, if you guys catch up with me on Instagram, I did a little sneak peeks of what's coming in the box this month. The first thing that we have is the Butter London palette, and I did a little makeup tutorial review video thing on my Instagram, so if you guys want to check that out, you can. I just did something nice, natural, easy that kind of everyone could play around with because it is a lot of neutral shades. Here is the palette. It goes for $32 and it has 6 pigmented, long-lasting shades. I did wear this. The colors are very pigmented. They are very soft. I know some people say like, oh, it's kind of boring. It's like the typical shades, but I do like that it can kind of be worn on everyone because it's very neutral. It's nothing too over the top. It does have the green and the blue in there. I know a lot of people are like, oh, not into blues, but I mean, I feel like every palette always has that one little kind of wild, bold color. I really like it. I think it's a good palette, just kind of everyday, something natural, something easy. And it's nice too because a lot of people who are beginners or don't really like out there type of makeup looks, this is something that everyone can kind of work with, kind of learn, practice with. So I think it's a nice little palette and it has a mirror. I got the Luxie Gaia brushes. I think that's how you say it. I might be wrong. I don't know. I'm not fancy. I don't know. Here are the 3 brushes. They have a wooden handle that's pink. We have a large blending brush, the precision crease brush, and then this foundation brush. And it's funny, I always go back and forth. I forget how much I love these foundation brushes, and then I start using something else, and then I kind of always go back to it. So it is a really good foundation brush. I'm excited to use these ones, and I'm digging this big fluffy brush because the bristles are pretty close, but I like how soft it is. And I love these precision brushes because they're perfect for my girls with no brows who have to put them on every single day to kind of like clean it up. I really like it, so they're good ones to have. Then next up we have the Alomar Superfood Vital Veggie Masks. I love skincare. I love face masks, so I'm excited. I'm gonna open this up really quick. It definitely smells earthy. It smells like gardeny. It smells like cucumbery, zucchini. I don't know, it smells like green things, and you can't go wrong with that. It makes me feel like I'm healthy. So here it is on the back of my hand. Oh, it's nice and thick, which I'm into. I'm just gonna kind of leave it there for a minute. It doesn't feel greasy, it doesn't feel oily. It feels really nice. I think I'm gonna bring this to the beach with me because that's when my skin gets the worst from like being outside, getting dehydrated, drinking alcohol. So that'll be fun to kind of use this and see the whole benefit. So if you guys want to see how I like it, keep an eye out on my Instagram again because I'm always on the stories. It's just so much easier to keep up with. This runs for $35, and I'll tell you what, this isn't the first time I've used Alomar. I've used their face cream, I've used their under eye creams, I've used serums by them, and they don't play. They make awesome, fantastic products. Their quality is very high. I love it. I've never had any issues with it, so I think it's great that they have that in this box. And if you haven't tried Alomar, you're gonna see why they're so good. They're just very great quality. Then next up we have the Appeal Gel Liner. They say this is either for your eyes or your lips, and I don't know why I would use this on my lips because it's like a teal, but I would definitely use it on my eyes. I feel like blue always looks good on brown eyes. I feel like it makes you look exotic and fun. Although I feel like I could do without the liners. I feel like there's always a liner in every one of my boxes, and I feel like I never even open a lot of them. Oh, and then we have the Alomar Nude Lip Gloss. Let's see what that looks like. I love Alomar. Is that right? Do I say that right? I feel like I'm saying that wrong. Yeah, maybe I am saying that right. Ooh, this is a really pretty gloss, and you guys know I'm a gloss whore. Like, lip glosses is my jam. This goes for $15. It's definitely nice and thick. I have nude on right now, so I kind of want to put it on my lips and see what it looks like. Ooh. Oh, it's pretty. I've never used their lip glosses before. I actually have the Alomar palette on my eyes from one of the other Boxycharm videos. It feels good. It's definitely nice and thick and creamy, but the color is really pretty. I'm digging this. I'm into it. So yeah, that's pretty much my box. It's not my favorite, to be honest. My favorite thing from the box is probably the Alomar mask. So let me know what your guys' favorite is. I know some people said they were excited about the palette. They weren't really feeling the palette, but I think you guys are all gonna love this if you get the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask in there. So I love you guys, and I will see you soon.